Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Mivi Soundbar to the Mi TV. First, look at the port on your Mi TV and the Mivi Soundbar. Common connection methods usually include HDMI ARC, an optical cable, Bluetooth, or an AUX 3.5mm connection. Check the available ports will help you decide the best way to connect the devices. Next, plug in an HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on the Mi TV. Then, connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on the Mivi Soundbar. After that, turn on both devices so they can detect each other. Now, using your Mi TV remote, go to the Settings menu and open the Sound section. Then, select Audio Output and choose HDMI ARC or external speakers so the TV sends this sound to the soundbar instead of the built-in speakers. After that, if you prefer a wireless connection, turn on Bluetooth pairing mode on the Mivi Soundbar. Then go to Settings on the Mi TV, open Bluetooth, select Add Device, and choose the Mivi Soundbar from the list to complete the pairing. Finally, play video or movie on your TV and check the audio. Make sure the audio is coming from the soundbar instead of the TV speakers to confirm that the connection is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.